In the US Customary and the Imperial systems, the old Imperial system, there's really three basic units of weight, right? We've got ounces, pounds, and tons. And I've got the relationships between the two here. And converting back and forth between these is really just yet another application of our dimensional analysis approach. So if I want to take 3.5 pounds and convert that to ounces, I'm going to start with 3.5 pounds, and I need my conversion factor. It's got to have pounds down here and ounces up here. My conversion says that there's 16 ounces in 1 pound. The pounds are going to cancel. 3.5 times 16, that's 56. So it's going to be 56 ounces. So now I want to take 10,000 ounces and convert it to tons. And this is going to be another one of those multi-step ones. I'm going to take ounces and convert it to pounds. Then I'm going to take pounds and convert that to tons. So 10,000 ounces. And I want ounces down here so they cancel. And there's 16 ounces to a pound. And then I'm going to go pounds to tons. So there's going to be tons on top, pounds on the bottom. There's 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. Now check your units, right? The ounces cancel, the pounds cancel, all that's left is tons. And you do the arithmetic, 1,000 divided by 16 divided by 2,000, and you get 0.3125 tons, somewhere in the neighborhood of a third. So that's really kind of all there is to our weight conversions, right? And so in the next lecture, we're going to take a look at mass conversions using the metric system.